Because I've taught my own children, we don't run. Light does not run from darkness. Under no circumstances. So, Boko Haram drove away the churches. The pastors there fled. But my pastor refused to move. So one day they came to visit him at home. You don't want to go, we know what to do. But he wasn't in. However, the wife was in, and the wife had just given birth to a set of twins. So they said, well, your husband is not home, we will leave him a gift that will cause him to move. So they slaughtered the twins. The soup must not shake in the belly of the elder. And when I heard, of course, the poor little mother nearly went mad. Well, quite a terrible experience. So I told my son, the pastor, comes to the south. You've already paid your price. I mean, when you get to heaven now, and Paul is bragging, talking of how many times they beat him, how many times they stoned him, you say, okay, you never married. You never had a set of twins. And I had a set of twins and I'd lost them for Christ's sake. I said, you've made a mark. Come to the south. We will arrange for somebody else to take your place. And he looked at me and said, Daddy, what are you saying? You're the one who taught us. We don't run.
The man talking in that video is called Pastor Adeboye. He is the General Overseer, Managing Director, and Financial Secretary of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. He said that he told his children, which are his church members, not to run from terrorists and bandits whenever they see them. That light does not run from darkness. He said that if his members see Boko Haram people coming, that they should not run. His members are not with guns, so they are not with cutlasses to defend themselves. They go just stand, hold their Bible for hand if to see the whole Bible. As Boko Haram, ISWAP, Fulani herdsmen and terrorists, they come. Make them stand. Is that not enslavement? And as they talk am, those idiots where sit down, they listen to them, they clap. Fools. No sensible person where they there stand up tell and say, how are you expecting us to stand and be looking at terrorists whenever they are coming close to us? Every sensible person is expected to run. But instead, you dey expect them to stand, make them not fear. The same Adeboye where they talk this thing, anywhere where they go, now so security agencies they follow am, army they follow am, police they follow am, mopo they follow am, all of them they follow and they protect am. But you, his members, he is telling you not to run away from terrorists whenever they are coming close to you. Stand, they look them, may they kill you. He said that Boko Haram are visiting the pastors of other churches in northern Nigeria and they are running away. But his own pastors are not running. He said that Boko Haram visited one of his pastors in his house in northern Nigeria. But the pastor is not around. He said that those Boko Haram terrorists met his wife and his 2 newborn twins. He said that those Boko Haram terrorists slaughtered those twins. the two twins, Boko Haram slaughtered them, killed them. And after he said that, he started laughing. When I tell you that Pastor Enoch Adeboye is an evil man, some of his members will not get sense. They go take comments and they talk say, don't speak ill about the man of God. If not, the Lord will strike you and the fools, animals in human form. Evil will never be for those that are speaking against evil. Now, so Father Mbaka talk say, Buhari is a messiah. Say, God send Buhari to come and liberate Nigerians. Buhari come scatter Nigeria. He turned Nigeria upside down. Under Buhari administration, so many Igbo youths lost their lives. Buhari hit Ndigbo with Operation Python Dance and Operation Crocodile Smile. During Buhari's administration, Nigeria Christians are being slaughtered by Boko Haram and other Islamic terrorists. And when we started dragging Father Mbaka, so many idiots that are members of Father Mbaka, they started telling us, stop dragging the man of God or else you will be judged. Fools. Just look at, he talks, say, the twins of that pastor was killed. And after that, he started laughing. Those Igbo people, where they go the church of this evil man, they go see this video, they're not going to stop till they go in church. Instead, they go him church more and more. They call him Papa. Now, those people you go see for the comment section of this video, they talk, say, stop speaking bad against the man of God. Stop judging the man of God or else you will be judged. That wrath of God, when they talk, say, he go decide on those people when they speak against bad pastors. That wrath of God, now they decide on so. Now why terrorists they feel kill you now everywhere because so many of them are not the reason. Instead of taking weapon to defend yourself, your pastor tell you say, don't defend yourself, stand and be looking at them. If they come, tell them say, you are a choosing. Adeboye said that he told that redeemed pastor to come back to the south, that he have paid his price. He have paid his price by being ignorant, and his ignorance led to the death of his twins. So that one na price where Adeboye they talk say he pay. Just imagine Adeboye when they talk say he's a good man of God, he's so wise, he's so intelligent. Just see how he did it, they talk rubbish. One of the major problems that we are having in Nigeria is bad politicians, bad religious leaders, and blind followers. That is the major problem that we are having in Nigeria. He have paid the price for allowing his twins to be killed. Listen to what Adeboye said here. Adeboye said that when the pastor goes to heaven and sees Apostle Paul bragging, talking of how many times he was beaten and stoned during his time, that he should tell Apostle Paul that he is not married and he never had a set of twins. That he had a set of twins and lost them to terrorists for Christ's sake. Pastor Enoch Adeboye, you deceived that pastor. He became a fool. And you are telling him that if he goes to heaven, that he should be bragging with Apostle Paul that two of his twins were killed for the sake of Christ. You dey use your members as sacrificial lamb, but many of those your members not know. You go see some of these idiots come my comment section, they talk rubbish. Imagine say Enoch Adeboye become the president of Nigeria. That means the death where we dey experience today go worse pass like this. Una pastor go tell una say, if terrorists wan kill una, make una no run, make una stand. And if terrorists kill that their member finish, they go come for their pulpit talk say, our member will make heaven. You will make heaven for being a fool. Instead of running, instead of defending yourself, you stand, terrorists kill you. And as they kill you finish, you dey expect to enter heaven. You died out of ignorance and you are expecting to enter heaven. But this man no get sense. So say if he reach heaven, be that pastor, if Apostle Paul dey brag, say when he dey for the earth, people were stoning him, they did him this, they did him that, may he himself tell Apostle Paul, say his own twins were slaughtered in Nigeria for the sake of Christ. Adeboye said that he told the pastor to come to the south, that he will arrange for somebody else to take his place. And the pastor looked at him and said, "Daddy, what are you saying? You are the one who taught us not to run from terrorists." The worst part of it is that the pastor is a fool. The evil Enoch Adeboye will tell you, say, make you dey there. Even if terrorists won't kill you, make you dey there. You lost your twins. Then, the same Adeboye, they tell you, say, make you leave northern Nigeria. Come back to the south. You can't see, they tell Adeboye, why are you telling me to come back to the south? Are you not the one that told us not to run from terrorists? Once you start to dey see your pastor as someone that is more superior than you, as someone that knows better than you, as someone that God loves more than you, your own don't finish. The next thing will happen to you be say, you will end up a zombie, you will end up an Ozwai. If you see terrorists, no run. Make you stand. If the terrorists near you, what are you going to do? Boko Haram, that is a very heartless and brutal terrorist organization. You not give your pastors guns, you not give them magazine, you not give them bullets, you not give them cutlass. Nothing. You tell them, say, if they see terrorists, make them no run. If those terrorists waka reach where your members dey, what are you expecting those terrorists to do to your members? They will slaughter them. If Yoruba people are the biggest people in population that are going to redeem Christian Church of God, the second most populated people that are going to redeem church are Igbo people. For this thing where Enoch Adeboye talk now, you go see, say, the people who are going to defend and pass na Igbo people. One of the problems that Ndigbo are facing is religion. Religion don't condemn so many Igbo people brain. They're not a reason like true Igbo people again. They don't know, say, waiting that they know true Igbo man na Igbo man will stand for truth. If you go to Yoruba churches now, so Igbo people full those churches. Oyedepo church, na Igbo people full inside. Adeboye church, na Igbo people full inside. Kumuyi church, na Igbo people full inside. Yoruba pastors that are tribal bigots. Yoruba pastors that are defending their evil brother Tinubu. Na their church, na Igbo people still they go. Mazinam, they cannot don't tell Ndigbo, stay clear from Yoruba churches. Stop going to Yoruba churches. Yet, so many Igbo people still they go Yoruba churches. And that is because their papa in the Lord don't knock their brain with programming. In this life, they program people. If to say, we dey a sane society, as he just talk this rubbish, so many people go stop going to his church, most especially Igbo people. If you be Igbo person, you dey go Adeboye's church. Stop going to Adeboye's church. Adeboye is an evil man. Cultism was created by Wole Soyinka, a Yoruba man. If you look in that cultism today, so many Igbo youths are cult members. Cultists everywhere in Igbo land. So many Igbo youths are killing each other, slaughtering each other. Person who create the cult group, Wole Soyinka, he is still alive. You go see cultists for Igbo land, he go join cult today. Next week, they go kill him, the rival cult group. Igbo youths are dying, waiting they kill them. Cultism, where Yoruba man creates. Now, for Yoruba church, Igbo people full Yoruba church. How many Yoruba people are going to the church of Odumeje? How many Yoruba people are going to the church of Ebukobi? Yoruba people, even for religion, they are tribal bigots. Yoruba people don't go to the church that are being owned by Igbo people. Now the one where Yoruba person gets that they go. But our Igbo brothers, they're not going to understand all these things. Go Yoruba man church, Igbo people don't fool there. See the rubbish where Adeboye they talk. Adeboye, you are so evil. Oloni, fear. Ishegwale.